Hello! Today I'll show you how to make a Halper account. It's actually really quick, and I'll walk you through the steps so you know exactly what to expect. Go to the website halper.ai, press Get Started, type your email, read the privacy policy, check the box, and press Register. After that, you'll receive a verification code at the email you entered. Enter the code into the boxes and confirm it. Next, create a password, repeat it, and continue to the next screen. Then choose whether you are an individual or a small or medium business. Now you will create your account in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Fill in your full name, phone number, and currency. Then choose where you work, at your own studio or office, or at your client's place. This helps Halper set up the right workflow for you. Step 2. Choose your business niche. I'll choose beauty and personal care as an example. Then select your specialty, for example, esthetician and skincare specialist. Pick the one that fits your business, then tap Next. Step 3. You can choose from the suggested services or skip this part and add them later. In this example, I'll add a few random services. To create a service, press Create Service. Enter the name, duration, price, and number of service variations, plus a short description. Then press Create Service again to save it. You can add and save as many services as you need at this step or later. Now just save and continue. Step 4. Set your working days and hours and add breaks. Everything is simple here. Save this information and go to Booking Settings. Step 5. In the booking settings, you can set buffer time between appointments. Choose whether Halper should answer clients 24 hours a day or only during your working hours. And pick your tone of voice. I'll choose professional. Finish the registration. Congratulations, you're inside.